So let's answer the question, how do we know a true prophet from a false prophet? Now, we've had 2 segments on Jonathan Cahn. Now, I'm not going to go in and analyze any more of it, but I have yet to find a single prophecy that he himself has initiated that has taken place. Now, he's very good at analyzing. I mean, he can look at and analyze things more than about anyone else that I know. So he's good at that, and that helps. But let's come here to John 3, and let's see what John said concerning anyone who comes in the name of God.